Welcome all to the third lesson, Arithmetic Sequences and Series. This is the continuation of the previous lessons. We need to watch this in continuity. Please watch lesson 1, then move on to the next lesson, and then so you will easily grasp the previous concepts and understand the further concepts. Now, the learning objectives in this lesson are to find the nth term and arithmetic means for arithmetic sequences. Then we have to find the sums of arithmetic series. We will look into both of these in the coming sections. The keywords are arithmetic means, arithmetic series, partial sum, sigma notation. So some of these are repeated. We have just done this in the previous lesson, but some of these may be new. We will look at them one by one in the coming sections. First is arithmetic sequences. Now, the nth term of arithmetic sequence. You might have remembered in the previous grades and previous classes going through the point slope formula. Point slope formula is something like this: y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1, and this is a point slope formula. Now, the similar formula, that formula is used to derive the arithmetic sequence as well. Over here now, the derivation is not so important, but this formula is very, very important. An over here stands for the nth term. It can be any term. Say a phi. You need to find the fifth term. So you can find over here, just put n as phi. And then this will be phi. A1 is the first term. This must be given. And then d over here is the common difference which can be found out. Now, if you know so much, you can find any term. Now, it might be such case that they might give you an, d, they might ask you to find the a1 value, provided you know an. So anyhow, most of these must be known. Only one must be unknown. Only then you can solve for it. We will see problems on this now. This is called the nth term of arithmetic sequence because you can find any nth term from this particular formula. Now, here we have a problem where we need to find the 12th term of the arithmetic sequence 9, 16, 23, 30. Over here they have mentioned its arithmetic sequence. Just subtract 2, consecutive 2 numbers. So use the second term, 16, minus the previous term, 9, and you will get the answer 16 minus 9 is 7. So the common difference D value is 7. Okay. What is the first term over here? A1 is 9. What is the n over here? N is 12. Now, with this information, you can easily use the formula and solve for the nth 12th term. Now, this is the d value. Now, to find the 12th term, you need to use an equals a1 plus n minus 1d. N is known, a1 is known, d is known. Substitute the values. So it is 9 first term, n is 12, 12th term, and d is 7. Substituted. Put it in the calculator. You can put the entire thing directly in calculator using the appropriate and the proper brackets, and then you can get the answer directly. Let us look into one more problem. Write the equation for nth term. Over here, similar. See, now just now we use the formula, solved it, straightforward, nothing else. It's very basic, right? Over here, they're asking you to write the equation for the nth term. Same formula, but little difference. Did they mention nth term like fifth or sixth? No, it's not mentioned over here. So what do we do is first find the d. D is minus 13 minus 5. You do not need to do for all these terms. Just one of the term is enough. That's it. Now over here, d is minus 13 minus 5. It'll be minus 18. So that is the thing. And then what we do is phi. Okay, obviously this first term is very important. Phi is the first term, a1. Now write the formula. Over here, you know a, that is phi, the first term. Not a1, that's the first term. It's a subscript 1. Subscript is something that's written down. This is a subscript n. You generally call it a1. Now d is the common difference, minus 18. Now, anything else is unknown. Just substitute this values. Try to simplify, multiply this minus 18 inside. What is going to happen? Minus 18 times n, minus times minus is plus 18. What next? Simplify this further. 5 plus 18 is 23, negative 18n. Now, can you simplify it further? No, this is it. So this is basically the nth term. This is the equation for the nth term. So now if you want to find, say, 10th term, all you need to do is put 10 over here and 10 over here and solve. You'll get the answer. Now over here, they have not mentioned the nth term is this. That's the answer. So we will see another problem, but now I would ask you, kindly request you to pause the video. Try this by yourself. It is not exactly same like what we had seen before, but it's similar to it. So try pausing the video and solve it by yourself. I hope you tried by pausing the video. Now we will continue. We will try solving this together. Here you need to write the equation for the nth term of each arithmetic sequence, and they are mentioned a5 equals 19 and d equals 6. There is something else given. See, the first term is not given. It's not a1 that is given. We don't have a sequence. They have given d and a5. So what does this mean? That means first you need to find a1, the first term. How do we do this? A5 is basically, let's write the formula first. Find a1. See, this is the formula, right? See, a5 is an basically. If n is 5, what is the answer? 19. So substitute this as 19. Then a1 is unknown, n is 5, and d is 6. Substitute everything and now simplify and solve for a1. You can solve it in calculator. Over here it is 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Take 24 to the other side. It will be negative 5. So first term a1 is negative 5. What about the next? We need to write the nth term, right? Equation for the nth term, not for the fifth term, nth term. Just like what we done before. Now you have a1 and d. Substitute over here. a1 is 5, minus 5, n minus 1, d is 6. Simplify further, 6n minus 6. You're multiplying this 6 inside, distributive property. Then add these both. That is minus 5 minus 6 will be negative 11. So it will be an equals 6n minus 11. Now if you want to find any term, say 10th term or 15th term, just substitute n as 15 or nth, any n value, and you'll get the answer.